How many different simple random samples of size 5 can be obtained from a population whose size is 44? So this is a selection of 5 objects from 44. So it's either combination or permutation. And once again, we said that if there is nothing to suggest that order matters, then by default it's combination. So it's 44 combination 5. And now let's see how to do it on this calculator. And if you have the other TI-30X models, it's the same process. It's the same keys exactly. So what you do is you want 44 combination 5. So the big number always is written first. So what you would do is you would do 44. And then you will hit this PRB button and you have to select NCR. So that's 2. So you scroll down to it, you hit that, and then 5. So that's 44 combination 5, and then hit enter. So 1086008. 1086008. Find the value of the factorial, 8 factorial. So let's see how we do in calculator. So you would do 8, and it's again this PRB button, and you would select number 3, which is factorial, and enter. So that's 8 factorial, and enter again. So that's 40320. Now, let me briefly mention what factorial means, because actually you will need that in another problem. Right now, it seems that, oh, if you don't need to know what it is, you can just do it on calculator. But we will see a problem where actually the calculator will break down, and therefore you will have to know the basic idea behind a factorial. So let me explain that here. So 8 factorial basically means any factorial. Let's take a smaller number. If you have like 4 factorial, what that means is you do 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So you start multiplying from that one, you keep decreasing by 1 until you reach 1. So it's 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So you can see that 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 times 2 is 24. So 4 factorial is 24. So that's the idea of any factorial. You start from that number, you keep decreasing by 1, keep multiplying till you reach 1. So keep that in mind, because actually you will need that knowledge in a later problem, as I said. So right now we're okay with this one. And then 5p4, similarly, permutation is also in the same thing. So you do 5, you hit the PRB button, and now you select permutation. It's already on that, enter, and 4. So that's 5 permutation 4, and enter. So that's 120. Five combination 3. So 5 PRB, scroll to NCR, enter, and then 3, enter. So 10. And this is the problem I was talking about. Now, if you try to do 700 factorial on your calculator will give you an error. It will break down. It's too much for the calculator to handle. So we want 700 factorial divided by 699 factorial. So 700 factorial divided by 699 factorial. Now, in a fraction like this, what you do is you start opening the bigger factorial. So you know 700 factorial will be 700 times 699 times 698 times so on. Until you reach 1. Similarly, 699 factorial will be 699, 698, and so on until you reach 1. So now look what's happening. 700 is the only one that will survive. All the other terms will cancel out. 699s will cancel out, 698s will cancel out, and so on. So you will end up with just the 700. So the answer for that is 700.